Hello, and welcome to the Vortex Rev family. I'm your host, and today we're bringing you something so massive that the kid inside you is about to wake right back up. In front of you, the ZIL-130 2026 model, the legend of Soviet engineering, now in a completely new form. If you're ready, let's go. Back in 1963, in Moscow, rolling off the factory assembly line, this machine carried the might of the Soviet Union, quite literally, on the road. The ZIL-130 was one of the most produced trucks of its era. Collective farms, construction sites, military zones, whatever heavy-duty job you can think of, ZIL was there. Its V8 engine with 150 horsepower was considered a revolutionary feat of engineering for its time. Decades passed, the world changed, but the legend of the ZIL-130 never died. And today, that legend is reborn with the 2026 version. Just look at this beauty. The classic ZIL silhouette has been preserved, but every single detail has been updated to match the aesthetics of 2026. The LED projector headlights turn night into day. They operate with matrix technology, including autonomous lane recognition lighting. This new hexagonal grille improves aerodynamics and increases the efficiency of the cooling system. The classic ZIL emblem has been revived with a chrome finish. The sidelines are sharper, the rear section looks more structured. It's rare to see the past and the future come together this beautifully. Now, let's look at the true DNA of this machine. 315/80 R22.5 all-terrain tires, stable on asphalt, and fearlessly capable in full off-road conditions. Ground clearance, 280 millimeters. What does that number mean? Mountain roads, flash flood channels, dirt fields, you clear them all with ease. Standard equipment includes a 9,500-pound electric winch. Even if you get stuck in the mud, you pull yourself right out. And the snorkel system handles water crossings up to 1.2 meters deep without a problem. This is an off-road platform you control from the comfort of a cab. The driver's cabin. The handwriting of the classic ZIL is visible here too. That large steering wheel, the panoramic windshield stretching from top to bottom. But 2026 is already something else entirely. A 10.4-inch touchscreen infotainment display, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, an 8-speaker audio system. The driver's seats come with heating and ventilation. Triple-density acoustic layering has been used for cabin sound insulation. From the digital driver assist interface, you can select 8 different work modes: road, off-road, cargo, towing, eco, and more. This was designed for drivers who demand comfort alongside the hard work. And now, we get to the heart of the matter. A 6.7-liter turbo diesel inline-6 engine, 340 horsepower, 950 newton-meters of torque. What do those numbers mean? A payload capacity of up to 15 tons, 0 to 80 kilometers per hour, in just 12 seconds. Top speed 120 kilometers per hour. A 9-speed automatic gearbox. The driver never tires, and the machine never stops. Fuel consumption? Just 14 liters per 100 kilometers, among the most efficient in its class. Do you hear that sound? This is the sound of an engine that delivers. A powerful machine must also be a safe machine. ABS and EBD, shortest possible stopping distance in any condition. 6 airbags, driver, side, curtain. Electronic stability control. The moment there's a risk of skidding, the system intervenes automatically. 360-degree surround view camera system. Blind spot warning. Autonomous emergency braking via rear sensors. In the world of freight transport, these standards are now non-negotiable. Fully compliant with Euro 6 emission standards, meeting modern requirements both ecologically and technically. And now, we've reached the most exciting part. One of the most impressive features of the ZIL-130 2026 model is its modular cargo area system. Standard flatbed, enclosed container box, tipper. Swap one out, put another in. One truck, 3 work tools. Agriculture, construction, firefighting, municipal services. Whatever field you need to adapt it to, ZIL is ready. Price? The standard version starts at $52,000. With the fully equipped off-road package, $74,500. Compared to its rivals in this class, ZIL is the champion of value for money. This is the perfect union of power from the past and the technology of the future. This giant, carrying the Soviet spirit, yet meeting world standards, has been built with artificial intelligence. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. If this review was useful to you, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video.